let's walk through how to add a new tool to your tools registry. Start by clicking the plus icon to open the Add Tool window. You'll need to enter a tool number and tool name first. These are mandatory, so you can't miss them. From there, you can link the tool to a specific asset already in GoSite Ready. Use the People field to assign it to a staff member and the Equipment field to link it back to a specific piece of equipment, like a ute. If you have the extra details handy, like storage location or who performed the last test, when those dates occurred, go ahead and pop in those details. Finally, if the tool is up to standard, just give the compliant box a tick and hit save. No dramas, your tool is now logged and ready for when you have to do your next report.